Hi students, today we are going to see the sum exercise 13.7, right? Already we have completed up to sum number 4, right? And sum number 5 and sum number 6 you can take it as a homework, right? I will explain you later. Now we are going to see sum number 7, right? Actually in this concept, right, in this exercise we are discussing about cone, right? Volume of cone, right? Volume of cone. So what is the formula of volume of cone? 1 by 3 pi r square h, right? And r and h is nothing but radius of a cone, and h is nothing but height of the cone, right? If you know the value of radius and height, and we can find the volume, right? But the sum number 7 is somewhat different, right? Somewhat different. They are talking about right angle triangle. They are talking about right angle triangle. So if the right angle triangle, right, if the right angle triangle rotates a rotates fully, then we can get a one shape, right? One solid, right? They ask you to find the volume of that solid. First we will read the question. See, sum number 7. A right triangle ABC, a right triangle ABC with sides 5 centimeter, 12 centimeter and 13 centimeter. 5 centimeter, 12 and 13, right? In a right angle triangle, see that I'm just taking that angle B is a right angle. So opposite to the right angle is something but hypotenuse. So among the three sides, right, the biggest side is something but hypotenuse, right? I'm just taking that this is 13 centimeter, right? 13 centimeter is something but hypotenuse, right? 13 centimeter is something but hypotenuse. Next, what they are saying is revolved about the side 12 centimeter. Revolved about the side. I'm just taking on right angle triangle. See that I'm just taking on right angle triangle, and this is nothing but what is that? Right angle at B, right? And this measurement is nothing but 13 centimeter, right? 13 centimeter height. Hypotenuse is nothing but 13 centimeter, and this is nothing but base 5 centimeter, and this is nothing but 12 centimeter, right? I'm just say that this is a right angle triangle, right? This is a right angle triangle, right? I'm just rotating this one, right? Rotating, revolved the side up, revolved about the side 12 centimeter, revolved about the side. This is nothing but 12 centimeter side, right? And this side is nothing but 12 centimeter side. I'm just revolving, right? I'm just revolving on full times, right? Then it will become what? While it revolves, right, then the 13 centimeter, this is nothing but 13 centimeter, and this also will become 5 centimeter, right? We will get a cone shape, right? While we are revolving the right angle triangle, right, while we are revolving the right angle triangle, right, then we will get a cone, right? We will get a cone. Now the height of the cone is nothing but 12 centimeter, and radius is nothing but 5 centimeter, right? The height of the cone is nothing but 12 centimeter, radius is equal to 5 centimeter, and 13 centimeter is nothing but slant height, right? But now we are going to find the volume of solid, right? Volume of solid. See what solid we have obtained. We got a cone, right? We got a cone while we are revolving the right angle triangle. We got a cone, right? Now we want to find volume of a cone, right? Volume of cone. For finding the volume of cone, what are things we are needed? Height and radius. So here given, right, height of the cone is nothing but, right, height of the cone is equal to 12 centimeter, radius is equal to 5 centimeter, right? Radius is equal to 5 centimeter, and slant height L is equal to 13 centimeter, right? Slant height is nothing but 13 centimeter, right? Now what we want to find? Volume of cone, right? Volume of cone, right? Volume of solid. So that is nothing but volume of cone. So volume of cone formula, volume of cone is equal to, right, volume of cone is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. 1 by 3 pi r square h. Substitute the values. So 1 by 3, see the r value and h value, both are not in terms of 7 multiples. So better we can substitute the value of 3.14, right? 3.14. So 3.14 into, what is the value of r? R is nothing but 5. R square, so 5 square into 12. So 1 by 3 into 3.14 into 5 square, that is 5 into 5, 25 into 12, right? See, is it possible to simplify? Yes, 3 table, 3 into 4, 12. Both are 3 multiples. So 1 3 is 3, 4 times, right? So remaining what is that? 3.14 into 25 into 4. 25 into 4, 25 into 4, 100. So 3.14 into 100. 25 into 4, 100. 3.14 into 100, 314 centimeter cube. Therefore, volume of cone, right? Volume of solid obtained. Volume of cone is equal to 314 centimeter cube. Right. Next is sum number 8. Sum number 8. If the triangle ABC in the question 7, so they are taking the same triangle and the same measurements also, right? Same triangle as well as same measurement. Question number 7. Above is revolved about the side 5 centimeter. See that in that question number 7, the triangle revolved about 12 centimeter, right? The triangle revolved about 12 centimeter. Now the triangle is revolved about 5 centimeter. So now see the height of the, right? Now that this is right angle triangle. Now the height of the right angle triangle is nothing but 5 centimeter, right? Now the height of the right angle is nothing but 5 centimeter. And the base, that is radius of a, right? The radius of the cone is nothing but 12 centimeter, right? The radius of the cone is nothing but 12 centimeter. First I will draw the diagram. In right triangle ABC, right? In right triangle ABC, right angle at B, right? And 5 centimeter, 12 centimeter, 13 centimeter, right? So now what they are saying, they are revolved about the side 5 centimeter. They are revolving about the side 5 centimeter. So now the height of the new cone, right? The height of the cone is something about 5 centimeter, and the radius of the cone is something about 12 centimeter, right? Now they are revolving about the side 5 centimeter, right? So the 5 centimeter is nothing but height, right? So the height is nothing but 5 centimeter, and it was revolving, right? It was revolving the side. Likewise, understood. So they see that now the height is nothing but 5 centimeter. So this is nothing but right angle triangle, right? And this is right angle triangle revolving, right? Revolving and like that. So it's revolving, and now we got a volume. Now we got the cone, right? Circular cone. The height of the cone is nothing but 5 centimeter. The radius is nothing but 12 centimeter, and the slant height is nothing but 30 centimeter, right? So here they ask you to find. Then find the volume of the solid so obtained. Then find the volume of the solid so obtained. So volume of cone we can find. So we know the value of radius, at the same time we know the value of height also. So we can easily find the volume of cone, right? Next they ask you to find also the ratio, right? Find also the ratio of the volumes of the two solids obtained in question number 7 and question number 8. So question number 7, volume of question number 7 and volume of question number 8, we want to find the ratio. So just divide the volume of the first cone, right? It's question number 7 volume, and divided by volume of the question number 8, right? So first write the given. What are the givens we are having? So here the shape is nothing but cone, right? Given the shape is nothing but cone. The radius of the cone R is equal to 12 centimeter, and height is nothing but 5 centimeter, right? H is equal to 5 centimeter, right? And slant height, that is L is equal to 3 centimeter, right? L is equal to 3 centimeter. Now what are things we want to find? We want to find two things. First one is nothing but volume of cone. Next one is nothing but ratio, right? First we'll find the volume of cone. So what is the formula of volume of cone? Volume of cone is equal to, right? Volume of cone is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. Pi r square h. So 1 by 3 into, what is the value of pi? 3.14 into, what is the value of r? R is equal to 12. So 12 square. 12 square into h. What is the value of h? 5 centimeter. Simplify. First just apply the square, then we can simplify. After that we will multiply. So 1 by 3 into 3.14 into 12 square, that is 144. 144 into 5, right? Is it possible to simplify? Yes, both are 3 multiples. So we can simplify 1 times here 40, 4 times 2 balance 24, 8, 48 times. So it is equal to 3.14 into 48 into 5, right? 48 into 5. So 48 into 5, 3.14 into 48 into 5, 240, right? 240 into 3.14, 240 into 3.14 is equal to, so volume of cone is equal to, right? Volume of cone is equal to 752.8 centimeter cube. Next we want to find ratio, right? Ratio of the two solids, right? Ratio of the two solids. So ratio is nothing but, ratio is equal to volume of cone when R is equal to 12 centimeter, right? R is equal to, R equal to 5 centimeter. Question number 7. Divided by volume of cone when R is equal to 12 centimeter, right? R equal to 12 centimeter. So volume of cone R is equal to 5 centimeter. Answer is nothing but 314. We have find it 314 divided by volume of cone when R is equal to 12 centimeter. That is 52.8. So using this value, right, it's somewhat difficult, right? See the before that what we have written before finding the value of 752.8, what we have written 3.14 into 240. Yes, so write that one. So 303.14 into 240, right? In the sum number 7, what we have written 3.14 into 100, right? Last before step 3.14 into 100. 3.14 will get cancelled now. So directly we can easily simplify. That's why I'm just taking that. Why I'm taking this last before step? Because it is easy to simplify. That's why, right? 3.14 into 100. 3.14 into 100. Simplify. 3.14, cancel. Next 0 will get cancelled. Remaining is nothing but 10 divided by 24. Still we can simplify. 5 times 12 times. So 5 by 12. Therefore the ratio of the two volume is nothing but 5 is to 12. Right? Therefore the ratio of the two volume is nothing but 5 is to 12. Understood? Next is sum number 9. A heap of wheat, right? A heap of wheat is in the form of a cone, right? A heap of a wheat is in the form of a cone whose diameter is 10.5 meter and height is 3 meter, right? Find its volume. At the same time, right? So for finding the volume, what are things we are needed? Radius and height, both are we are having. So write the formula, substitute the value and simplify. We'll get the volume, right? Still what they are asking, the heap is to be covered by canvas, right? The heap is to be covered by canvas to protect it from rain, right? To protect it from rain. So find the area of the canvas required. Find the area of the canvas required. So what we want to find? So first of all, we want to find the volume, right? For protecting from rain, right? So we want to find the curved surface area of a cone, right? How much area of the canvas is required, they are asking. So curved surface area, right? So we don't want to find the base of the cone, only we are going to find the curved surface area of the cone alone, right? CSA of cone, right? Curved surface area of a cone. For finding the curved surface area of a cone, what is the formula? Pi r L, right? Pi r L. So we know that, what is it? We know radius, we know diameter. From the diameter we can find radius, right? But we don't know L. But we know the formula L is equal to h square plus r square. By using that we can find L. After finding the L, then we can find the area of the canvas required, right? So first write the given. What are givens we are having? So what shape they are discussing? Cone, right? Cone. For the cone, what are the given we are having? Diameter. So diameter is equal to 10.5 meter, right? 10.5 meter. So radius of a cone is something but 10.5 divided by 2 meter, right? 10.5 divided by 2 meter. You can keep as it is. Otherwise you can remove the decimal point, and how we can write? It's something but 105 divided by 20, right? 105. So just multiplying by 10 on both numerator and denominator, right? So 105 divided by 20 meter, right? So radius of the cone, right? Next height of the cone is something but 3 meter. Height of the cone is something but 3 meter. Still what we are needed? Slant height we are needed. So now itself we can find. So what is the formula of slant height? So what is the formula for finding slant height? So L is equal to, right? L is equal to square root of h square plus r square, right? H square plus r square. H square plus r square. So now we know value of h and r, substitute and simplify, we'll get the values, right? So L is equal to square root of, right, h value. What is the value of h? 3. So 3 square plus 105 divided by 20 the whole square, right? Simplify. So square root of 3 square is something but 9 plus 105 the whole square. 105 into 105. 105 into 105 is equal to, just multiply. This is equal to 11025 divided by 20 square. 20 into 20, 400, right? 20 into 20, 400. Now just do this simplification. So just taking the cross multiply, then it become, what is it? 400 into 9, something but 3600 plus 11025, 11,025 whole divided by 400. Taking square root, right? It's going somewhat bigger, right? You will simplify. So by adding these two, we'll get 14,000, right? 14,625 divided by 400, right? Square root of. So simplify, both will be simplified by 25 table. So how many times? Here 25, 250, 1 times, 15, 150, 16 times, right? And here 146, I'll simplify. When I'm dividing by 400, I got 585 divided by 16. Once again, I'm just simplifying. 585 divided by 16, square root of 36.5625. 36.5625, right? So L is equal to square root of, right? So how we want to take the values from the square root? By using long division method. Today itself we will see that also. Last day itself we have studied, I think so. Once again we will see that. See that what is that? What is the value? 36.5625, right? 36.5625. So first what we want to do? We want to take two terms, two digits, right? So from the right, two digits we want to take, right? Then among the 36, right? What is the highest maximum perfect squares we are having among 36? 6, right? So 6 6 are 36. 6 6 are 36. 0, right? And next bring the 56, right? Two digits we have to bring down, right? 56. What we are adding, right? What we are going to use here, the same number only we want to apply. Next we have to add these two numbers. 6 plus 6, 12, right? Here what number we are using, by the same number only we want to multiply, right? Suppose I'm just taking that 1, then that I'm just taking 1, then it will become 121, right? I'm just taking 1, then the 12 will becomes 121, right? 121. So just we want to, what number we are taking, the same number only we want to multiply. So into 1. So 121. But what we are having, only 56 alone we are having. Understood? So what we are taking this number, right? The same number only we will multiply. So here what number is there? I'm just taking 1, right? I'm just taking 1. Then it will become 121. So 121 into 121. But what we are having 56 alone, right? So 1 is not possible. So we want to reduce the number. So it will become 0. So 120, 0, right? 120 into 0, it will become 0 only, right? 120 into 0, it will become zeros only. So what is the value? 56. 56 only, right? So once again, 6 plus 6, 12, right? The same thing, what number we are having, we have to add with the second number. 120 plus 0, 120, right? 120 plus 0, 120. Next we want to bring the next two digits. 25, right? The same thing, what number we are using here, by the same number only we want to multiply. So I'm just taking that 3, I'm just taking 3. So it will become 120 will become 1203, right? 1203, 1203. And we want to multiply by 3 only, right? What number we are taking here, the same number only we want to multiply. So 3 into 3, 9, 3 zeros are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 1 is 3, 3639. But here what we are having, 5625. So still we can take one more numbers. I am just taking 4, so it will become 1204, and we want to multiply by 4, right? So 1204, and we want to multiply by the same 4 only. So 4 4s are 16, right? 4 2s are 8, 4 1 is 4, 4816. But what we are having, 5625. Still we can go to the next numbers, right? So I'm just taking that, I'm just assuming 5, right? So the 1205, right? I'm just taking assuming 5, then in the 120 will become 1205, right? 1205. So 1205, what number I am assuming, right? What number I am assuming, by the same number only I want to multiply. So 5 5s are 25, 5 2 balance, same thing 2 5. Then 5 2s are 10, 0, 1 balance, 5 1 is 5, 6 0 2 5, right? But see that it's 6025, but only we are having 5625. It's going more than that, right? It's going more than that. So we want to take only 4 alone, right? We want to take only 4. So it's something but 1204, right? 1204, and here also will 4 only, right? So it will become 4816. And once again the same process only we want to continue, right? See that 36, it's nothing but it's integer, right? And 5625 is nothing but decimal part, right? So decimal part we want to put a point, right? So it's nothing but 6.04. So after the decimal point, 2 digit is enough, right? So the square root of 36.5625 is nothing but 6.04, right? Understood? 36.5625 is nothing but 6.04 meter, right? 6.04 meter. Therefore, L is equal to 6.04 meter. Right, L is equal to 6.04 meter, right? Now what we want to find? To find volume of cone and CSA of cone. First I am finding volume of cone. 1 by 3 pi r square h. Substitute the values. 1 by 3 into pi value. Shall I substitute 22 by 7? Because 105 is nothing but 7 multiple. Radius is nothing but 7 multiples. So 105 divided by 20 the whole square into height. Height is nothing but 3 meter, right? First expand. 1 by 3 into 105 divided by 20 into, sorry, I forgot to write the value of pi. So what is the value of pi? 22 by 7, right? So into 22 by 7, sorry, I forgot to write the value of pi value. Just straightly I have written the value of r value. So pi value 22 by 7. So it's nothing but 105 divided by 20 into 22 by 7 into 3, right? This 22 by 7 is nothing but value of pi, right? Now we can simplify. 3 will get cancelled. 7 multiples 1 times. Here how many times? 7 multiples 1 time 15 times, right? 15 times. Both are 4 multiples, right? See 5 multiples 3 times. Here 4 times. Here also 5 multiples 4 times 21 times, right? Is it any possible to simplify? Yes, both are 2 multiples. So 11 times 2 times. Any other simplification? Nothing is there. So write the remaining part. So 21 into 3 into 11 divided by 4 into 2, right? 4 into 2. Simplify. So just multiplying this the value 693 divided by 8. While we are simplifying 86.625 meter cube. Therefore volume of cone is equal to 86.625. Next what we want to find? CSA of cone. So CSA of cone, curved surface area of a cone, is equal to pi r l. So what is the value of pi? 22 by 7 into, what is the value of r? 105 divided by 20 into 6.04. L is equal to 6.04. Simplify. 7 table 1 times. Here 15 times. 5 table 4 times. Here 3 times. Once again 2 table 2 times 11 times. Here 2 table 1 times 3.02. Right. So what is the remaining? 11 into 3 into 3.02. It is equal to 11 3s are 33 into 3.02. Right. 3.02. 33 into 3.02. See, therefore 99.666 meters square, right? Therefore area of canvas required is equal, right? Area of canvas required is equal to 99.66 meters square, right? Not only homework sums. The homework sums is nothing but in exercise 13.7, sum number 5 and sum number 6 is your homework, right? In sum number 5, they ask you to find the capacity in kiloliters, right? Capacity in kiloliter. If it is liter means we can easily find, right? So 1 liter is nothing but, what is it? 1 liter is nothing but 1000 centimeter cube, right? And 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liter, right? 1000 liter. 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liter, right? But kiloliter is something but 1000, right? 1000 liter is equal to 1000 liter is equal to 1 kiloliter, right? So 1 meter cube is equal to 1 kiloliter. Understood? This is the note, just note down it, right? 1 liter is equal to 1000 centimeter cube and 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liter. 1000 liter is equal to 1 kiloliter. That is 1 meter cube is equal to 1 kiloliter. Thank you.